Dambulla, nested in Sri Lanka's cultural triangle, combines spiritual heritage with natural beauty. Famous for the ancient Dambulla cave temple and close to Sigiriya, the city drawn history buffs and natural lovers alike. Accommodations here range from grand lakeside resorts to cozy boutique stays, making it a peaceful and convenient base for exploring the region's temple, jungles, and wildlife. The first one is Amaya Lake, Kandalama. Amaya Lake, Kandalama offer eco-friendly cottage-style accommodation on the shores of Kandalama Reservoir. Surrounded by green landscapes, the resort includes swimming pool, a spa, and a game room perfect for families and groups. Guests love the tranquil vibe and individualized cottages. With an emphasis on ecological design and comfort, it offers serene luxury close to cultural landmarks. The second one is Kalandeva Retreat. Kalandeva Retreat is a stylish boutique hidden at the reservoir's edge, with floor-to-ceiling windows and a peaceful blood pool. Its interior are contemporary and minimalistic, creating a retreat-like atmosphere. Guests rave about walking between mango-lined paths, seeing fireflies at night, and the quiet, romantic ambience that make it ideal for couples and nature lovers. The third one is Heritage Kandalama. Designed by the legendary Jeffrey Bawa, Heritage Kandalama is a striking architectural retreat built into a rock face overlooking the lush forest and reservoir. Famous for its reward-winning spa and multiple restaurants nested within the natural landscape. It's perfect for wellness travelers and fans of artful design. Stay here feel like immense luxury in the heart of the nature. The fourth one is Jetwing Lake. Jetwing Lake is a contemporary style resort backed by the serene CM Bala Viva tank. Large glass walled rooms, an infinity pool, multiple dining venues, and a spa offer guests a blend of modern comfort and relaxation. With authentic Sri Lankan cuisine and opportunities for safari or cultural experiences, it serves as both a luxurious and adventurous space. The fifth one is Lake Lodge Boutique Hotel. This intimate B&B overlooks the peaceful Kandalama Reservoir, offering airy, minimalist room with private balconies and panoramic hill views. Guests enjoy a relaxed vibe, a small pool, and an open terrace. The lodge is perfect for bird watchers and anyone wanting quiet immersion in nature. Its carefully curated simplicity makes the experience unforgettable. The next one is Evergreen Hotel Dambulla. Evergreen Hotel is a practical and cozy choice set amid rice field and near a small river, offering spacious, comfortable rooms and personalized hospitality. Its tranquil setting, helpful staff, and thoughtful amenities make it a great value for families and solo travelers alike. It feels warm and convenient for exploring nearby cultural sites. The next one is Laya Water Villas. Laya Water Villas offer a unique style right by the water with pool access villas, a shared lounge, and lush garden surroundings. The quiet atmosphere and modern rooms make it a favorite for couples and solo travelers seeking privacy and serenity. The laid-back vibe helps guests unwind after a day of sightseeing. The next one is Tropical Life Resort and Spa. Situated in verdant surrounding, this resort offers lush landscaping, a garden framed by waterways, and spacious room designed for relaxation. Guests enjoy eco-conscious decor, a spa, and beautifully integrated natural elements. It's particularly suitable for peaceful getaways in green, tranquil surroundings. The second last is Green Edge Residencies. A warm, family-run lodging, Green Edge offer cozy rooms, a garden, and welcoming hosts known for their homely touch and tasty home-cooked foods. It's located a short drive from Dambulla Cave Temple, making it a claiming and authentic base for travelers seeking local hospitality. ideal for longer stays and cultural exploration. The last one is Hotel Kiara. Hotel Kiara is a quiet retreat with spacious clean rooms, a serene pool, and a mix of local and international breakfast options. Guests love the peaceful atmosphere and thoughtful service. It's a solid, comfortable pick for travelers wanting scenery without losing access to town amenities. Dambulla offers hospitality that serves as a diverse as its cultural landscape from iconic architectural resorts and serene boutique stays by the lake to family-run inns that welcome you like home. Whether you are seeking luxury, solitude, or a touch of rustic charm, these top 10 hotels provide a perfect place to explore Sri Lanka's cultural triangle with comfort and warmth.